Hello everyone. The COVID 19 pandemic has created a truly unprecedented situation which affects us all. During this time, we want to reach out and update you on how we are approaching the situation. And we know it's tough for you all to visit us. So here we are presenting about our college. Shankaracharya Swami Sarupanand College of Nursing welcomes all of you. Our college is established by Jagadguru Swami Sri Sarupanand Saraswati Ji Maharaj, who is the founder of SSCL. The mission behind is to impart high quality education and training worldwide. As philosophy, the faculties here provide efficient nurses for first level position in different institutions. Now, let's talk all about SSCL. It is one of the thriving nursing college in Chhattisgarh recognized by Indian Nursing Council and affiliated to Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Memorial Health Sciences and Ayush University of Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Our college was officially started in the year 2011. This college is managed by Sri Gangajali Educational Society, which is renowned since 26 years with its proficiency and excellence in educational field. Let's meet some of the eminent personalities of this institute. Sri I.P. Mishra Sirji. He is the chairman of Sri Shankaracharya Group of Institutions and also Sri Gangajali Educational Society. Presently, he is the chancellor of Sri Shankaracharya Professional University. Another dignitary who is our president of Sri Gangajali Educational Society, Ma'am Mrs. Jaya Mishra. Coming to the pillar of our college, principal, Ma'am Professor Mrs. Shailaja Alak. Now, you might be thinking, why we must opt nursing over everything else? So here is your answer. It is an art combined with service, which is served with discipline and compassion. There is increased demand for nurses with more skills, qualification and experience. And here at SSCL we provide you with confidence and skills needed to embark on a rewarding career ahead. There is scope for you after nursing. You can go for nursing administration, nurse clinician, nurse researchers, school health nursing, teaching in nursing institution, nursing supervision, hospital nursing, community nursing, industrial nursing. Even you can go for higher studies, that is MSc nursing, MPhil in nursing, PhD nursing. There are various opportunities that nursing provides you with. You can not only work in India, but you can also work abroad in different parts of the world. Nurses work to provide physical, psychosocial, environmental health locally, nationally and internationally. The course we offer here at SSCL is BSc Nursing program, which is a 4-year course, and you have to be 12th passed with 45% in PCB, that is science subject, to fulfill the eligibility criteria. The overall seat comprises here is 60. Now let's visit how our college provides you with physical facilities. College entrance. Principal's office. Vice Principal's office. We have a group of expert and experienced teaching faculty who strive for the welfare of students. We have spacious, well-ventilated and proper light facilitated classrooms for adequate accommodation of students. We provide well-equipped library with internet facility. We have over 4,500 books of national and international authors. We have full-fledged clinical labs with all the articles and equipment like Nursing Foundation Lab, Anatomy Lab, Nutrition Lab, MCH Lab, Computer Lab, Sick Room for Students and Community Lab. We provide clinical training at our own hospital, Sri Shankaracharya Institute of Medical Sciences, Trinwani, Bhilai, which is less than 1 kilometer from college campus. It is a 750-bedded multi-speciality hospital with all the facilities like casualties and emergency department, radiological department, critical care unit, OTs, pharmacy and different specialty wards. For specialty posting, we send our students in different parts of India, like for psychiatric posting, Ranchi Institute of Neuropsychiatry and Allied Sciences, and Central India Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences. We also provide bus facility for students. As per the nursing curriculum, community posting is also rendered where students visit different community areas and know the health problems of the society. We have various campus placements. Amongst them, students get jobs at full facilitated multi-specialty firms like Apollo Hospitals, Medanta the Medicity Hospital and Sri Shankaracharya Institute of Medical Sciences. For students' activities, celebration of various health programs are undertaken at college and community level. We provide stay for girls in hostels as well. Various sports, cultural activities like lamp lighting and graduation ceremony as per student activity are organized at college and state level, and our students have bagged various awards and prizes from different zones nationwide. So, what are you waiting for then? Contact us today. Here is our full address with phone number and email ID. Admissions open 2020-21. Hurry up, limited seats now. Wish you all well. Thank you.